Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I do massage to my baby every day before bedtime. Bedtime routine is a key to install a good sleep habits within your baby. Nighttime routine with the predictable pattern will give your baby a cue to put that little head down to rest, which in turn will create more settled and content baby. Bedtime routine also is a great way to bond with your baby at the end of a long day. Before we begin, there's a quick disclaimer. I'm not a doctor and don't have medical education. I'm just a mom who practices this massage daily with my baby. So always consult with your doctor before doing any physical activities with your baby. It's better to leave the baby undressed and with no diaper, but in this video I'll keep the diaper on. Before doing massage, it's very important that we observe baby and her body language to make sure she is happy and ready to engage with us. I'm gonna start from hands, gently pressing on each finger pad and massaging arms, moving upright to the shoulders. I don't use any oil here in purpose, as my baby now at that stage when she sucks her fists a lot. I'll use it on her legs though. During massage, it's a good idea to engage with your baby by talking to her or singing a song. Thus, you watch her communication cues, making sure she's happy and willing to engage with us. Then I'm gonna gently massage her belly. Especially it's helpful if your baby has gas or colics. Massaging clockwise around the navel is gonna help to pass the gas from the intestines. After that, I'm gonna massage baby's toes, feet and legs. Here I'm gonna use a bit of baby oil. The skin on the inner thigh is very gentle, so do not massage this area. After we warmed up all body with massage, we're gonna do some joint exercises, starting on wrists, elbows and shoulders, and then on ankles, knees and hips, just gently rotating in both directions. Don't do any exercises by forcing your baby, make sure she's relaxed and letting you do it. gonna roll baby over on the belly and gently massage her back. To strengthen her neck, I make her head turn on each side, keeping her attention with some toy. And that's it, our massage and exercises are done. I do it every day before bedtime. It helps my baby relax and sleep better. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!